Golden hour tropical backyard patio with a low woven sectional, a rock waterfall into the pool, warm string lights in palm trees, and bird of paradise for quiet evening relaxation. Misty overcast tropical morning patio featuring a hanging egg chair, tiered clay fountain, lush ferns, a dark tiled plunge pool, and floor cushions for a slow morning coffee ritual. Modern minimalist tropical patio with a concrete dining table, rattan pendant lights, a sleek infinity pool, sculptural succulents, and a built-in bench for outdoor entertaining. Twilight tropical backyard lit by tiki torches, featuring a large circular daybed, a stone fire pit, a freeform lagoon pool, and coconut palms for cozy late-night gatherings now. Bohemian tropical patio layered with colourful textiles, a macrame chair, a mosaic fountain, a turquoise pool, and overflowing hibiscus for relaxed, sunny weekend afternoons here. Compact tropical patio with a plunge pool, a hanging rattan swing, a wall water feature, vertical gardens of orchids, and a small bistro set for intimate outdoor living spaces. Mid-century tropical patio with teak lounge chairs, a cinder block fountain, a pale blue pool, areca palms, and a woven rattan bar cart for retro-inspired, relaxed daily living. Rainy tropical afternoon patio under a thatched roof with a cushioned hanging chair, a stone fountain, a dark tiled pool, and lush dripping foliage for cozy and quiet days inside. Family tropical patio with a large wooden dining table, a shallow beach entry pool, bubbling fountain, potted shrubs, and a hammock between two palms for weekend gatherings now. Romantic tropical patio for two with a double hanging rattan chair, a bubbling fountain, a plunge pool surrounded by jasmine, and soft candle lanterns at the golden hour mark. Coastal tropical patio with whitewashed teak furniture, a shell fountain, a sand-coloured pool, sea grapes, and woven floor cushions for laid-back, beachside living at its best. Secluded jungle patio surrounded by greenery with a hidden stone fountain, a black infinity pool, a low woven daybed, and giant philodendrons for a private, peaceful retreat. Brunch-themed tropical patio with a long teak table for six, a bubbling fountain, a bright blue pool, bougainvillea, and string lights for sunny and social weekend gatherings. Colonial-style tropical patio with dark wicker, a tiered stone fountain, white-tiled pool, royal palms, and a ceiling fan under a covered veranda for classic outdoor relaxation. Cool evening tropical patio with a large fire pit, plush blankets, a hanging rattan chair, a heated pool, and citrus trees for cozy outdoor living on those crisper summer nights.